Quick fact. Do you know how the first Indian reservations appeared in the USA? Before the arrival of the colonialists, the Indians did not have private property. All lands were in common ownership. European settlers began to acquire land plots by deception, soldering Indian leaders and taking advantage of their gullibility. As a result, many plots were resold several times, and complete confusion reigned in the real estate trade. The authorities' attempt to restore order in the land issue ultimately led to the emergence of reservations. So, on August 29th, 1758, near the town of Shamong in New Jersey, the first reservation was created for the Lenape Indians, also known as the Delawares. The Indians received this place in return for lands previously purchased from them, with a guarantee for eternity. But in 1801, the territory was taken away from the tribe, resold to white settlers. The Indians, having received the proceeds from the sale, dispersed. Some, settling in New Jersey, abandoned their tribal customs and submitted to the laws of the white man. The rest went to other reservations or emigrated to Canada. Recognizing this experience as successful, from 1823 to 1830, the government expanded the policy of expelling Indian tribes from the east they inhabited to the arid prairies west of the Mississippi, to the future state of Oklahoma. The Indians who agreed to the resettlement died en masse on the road from disease and deprivation. Those who tried to resist were finally defeated in 1858.